Cranberries have several potential health benefits, including urinary tract health. Cranberries contain compounds that may prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, which can help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. Antioxidant activity. Cranberries are high in antioxidants, which can help protect the body from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Cardiovascular health. Some studies suggest that cranberries may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by improving cholesterol levels, lowering blood pressure, and reducing inflammation. Oral health. Compounds in cranberries may also help prevent bacteria from sticking to the teeth and gums, which can help prevent dental plaque and gum disease. Digestive health. Cranberries are a good source of fiber, which can help promote digestive health and may also help reduce the risk of certain digestive disorders, such as colon cancer. Overall, consuming cranberries as part of a healthy diet may offer several potential health benefits. However, more research is needed to fully understand the effects of cranberries on human health. Cranberries are a type of small, tart fruit that are commonly consumed in the form of cranberry juice, dried cranberries, or cranberry sauce. These berries are rich in various nutrients, including vitamin C, fiber, and several antioxidants. One of the most well-known health benefits of cranberries is their potential to support urinary tract health. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which may prevent bacteria, such as E. coli, from attaching to the walls of the urinary tract. This can help reduce the risk of developing urinary tract infections, UTIs, which are a common health concern, especially among women. Some studies have suggested that consuming cranberry juice or taking cranberry supplements may reduce the frequency of UTIs in some individuals. Cranberries are also known for their antioxidant activity. This is Health Information Channel. Please support us, kindly share this video and consider subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.